Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Android Auto if it's not working. Let's get started. First, swipe up and open your settings. Now tap on Connected Devices and scroll all the way down to Android Auto. If you haven't connected your car already, tap Connect a Vehicle and set it up. But assuming that's already done, tap on Start Android Auto automatically and make sure it's set to either default or always, so it launches automatically when you plug into your car. Next, go back and scroll down to Apps. Then find and tap on Android Auto from the list. Inside here, tap on Permissions and make sure everything is set to Allow while using the app. If anything is denied, just switch it over. Once that's done, tap Force Stop, then go down to Storage. In Storage, tap Clear Cache and Clear Data to reset the app completely. After that, exit out and press and hold your power button, or power plus volume depending on your device, and restart your phone. You can also check for a software update under Settings, just in case an outdated system is causing the issue. Once everything is refreshed, plug back into your car, and Android Auto should be working again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.